Amidst the vibrant chaos of Bogota, a couple yearned for a tranquil escape, a sanctuary where they could reconnect with nature and themselves. Their dream was a casa de campo, a country house nestled amidst the lush greenery of the Colombian countryside. Their search led them to the charming town of Anapoima, nestled just outside the bustling capital. Here, amidst the embrace of a private club, they found the perfect plot of land for their dream home. The triangular plot, with its gentle incline and majestic salon tree, presented both a challenge and an opportunity. The architects, embracing the natural contours of the land, envisioned a home that would harmonize seamlessly with its surroundings. The casa's design, a symphony of straight lines and curves, was carefully crafted to respect the natural environment. The main axis, parallel to the contour lines, ensured minimal disruption to the landscape, while the perpendicular orientation maximized sun exposure without direct glare. The casa's interior spaces exuded a sense of serenity, bathed in natural light and framed by breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. The social zones, positioned to capture the best vistas, offered ample space for relaxation and convivial gatherings. The bedrooms, tucked away in more secluded areas, provided a sanctuary of tranquility. Each room, carefully designed to maximize comfort and privacy, offered a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. A massive stone wall, towering over the casa, served as a dramatic architectural element and a symbolic divider between the social and private realms. Its height, gradually decreasing along the slope, created a sense of balance and harmony. casa's materiality was a testament to its respect for the environment. The exterior walls, clad in a verdant cypress green, harmonized with the lush vegetation. The limestone flooring, with its subtle veins and cool tones, added a sense of tranquility and elegance. In contrast to the soothing green, black accents were strategically placed throughout the casa. The swimming pool, clad in black tiles, resembled a monolithic sculpture, while the black-rimmed windows framed the breathtaking views. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the casa, the couple's dream had materialized. Their casa de campo, a masterpiece of design and harmony, stood as a testament to their deep connection with nature and their appreciation for the simple pleasures of life.